Hey guys, welcome back to the tenorshare channel. Have you been checking software update but iOS 27 still isn't showing up on your iPhone? Before you worry, there's something important you should know. We'll need to wait until WWDC 2026, where Apple is expected to officially unveil iOS 27 and release the first developer beta shortly afterward. So if you're searching for iOS 27 in software update today and can't find it, that's completely normal. However, once Apple releases the iOS 27 developer beta, many users may still run into another problem. The iOS 27 beta update may not appear on their iPhone, even though the beta has already been released. In most cases, this happens because the Apple ID isn't enrolled for developer beta access, or the device isn't properly prepared for beta updates. Before we start, there's one important thing you should do first. Back up your iPhone. Beta software is designed for testing, which means bugs, battery drain, app crashes, and unexpected issues can happen. And if you decide to downgrade back to a stable iOS version later, having a backup can save you a lot of trouble. If you prefer managing backups from your computer, ReiBoot also provides backup and downgrade tools that can help you prepare before installing any beta software. To get beta access, download the developer app from the App Store. Once installed, open it and sign in with your Apple ID. Then complete the Apple Developer Program enrollment. After completing these steps, you'll have beta access. Open Settings, tap General, then Software Update. Next, tap Beta Updates. If your Apple ID has been successfully enrolled, you'll see iOS 27 Developer Beta listed here once Apple officially releases it. Select iOS 27 Developer Beta, then return to the Software Update page and refresh. Your iPhone should now detect the beta update and allow you to download and install it. If you still don't see the update, make sure your device is compatible with iOS 27, you're signed in with the correct Apple ID, and your internet connection is stable. Now let's talk about an easier upgrade method. Many users prefer updating through a computer instead of waiting for the OTA update to appear. That's where tenorshare ReiBoot comes in. As soon as Apple releases the official iOS 27 beta firmware, ReiBoot will support it. You can download ReiBoot for free via the link in the description section. Simply launch ReiBoot and connect your iPhone. Choose iOS Upgrade/Downgrade. Select Upgrade. ReiBoot will automatically detect the latest available firmware for your device. One thing I really like is that all firmware packages come directly from Apple's official servers, so you're still getting Apple's official firmware, just through a much simpler installation process. Click Download. Wait for the firmware package to finish downloading. Then click Start Upgrade. ReiBoot will handle the installation automatically. A few minutes later, your iPhone will restart and boot into iOS 27 beta. This means you don't have to manually search for IPSW files, verify compatibility, or deal with complicated upgrade steps. Everything is built into one workflow, making the process much easier for beginners. Are you planning to install iOS 27 beta on day one? Let me know in the comments which iPhone you're using and whether iOS 27 is showing up on your device yet. If there are any other iOS 27 topics you'd like us to cover, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest iOS updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.